If you're looking for a family home or an investment, we're the perfect property at 19 Andina Crescent at Ferny Hills. Come and have a look around. There is so much to love about this 3-bedroom plus study home with rear deck overlooking the landscaped gardens, artist studio workshop, internal stairs down to rumpus and laundry. Located in a private leafy street within close proximity to everything. There's sure to be a lot of interest in this lovely property, so give Richard Mirosh from LJ Hooker Stafford a call today.